Wonder is a fundamental aspect of human nature and plays a crucial role in our curiosity, exploration, and quest for knowledge. There are several reasons why we wonder. Curiosity. Humans are naturally curious beings. We have an innate desire to seek out new information, understand the world around us, and satisfy our intellectual curiosity. Wonder serves as a driving force behind our quest for knowledge, pushing us to explore and discover. Cognitive development. Wonder is closely linked to cognitive development, particularly in early childhood. Children often exhibit a sense of wonder as they encounter new experiences, objects, and ideas. It helps them make sense of the world, form connections, and develop their thinking skills. Sense of awe and amazement. Wonder can arise from experiencing something awe-inspiring or extraordinary. It can be triggered by witnessing the beauty of nature, contemplating the vastness of the universe, or marveling at the achievements of human ingenuity. Wonder evokes a sense of amazement, joy, and reverence, enhancing our emotional well-being. Seeking meaning and understanding. Wonder arises when we encounter something that challenges our existing knowledge or beliefs. It prompts us to question, reflect, and seek a deeper understanding of the world and our place in it. Wonder encourages intellectual growth and fosters a sense of wonderment. Fuel for creativity and innovation. Wonder often serves as a catalyst for creativity and innovation. It sparks imagination, inspires new ideas, and motivates us to explore uncharted territories. Many scientific discoveries, artistic creations, and technological advancements have emerged from a sense of wonder and the desire to explore the unknown. Appreciation of the ordinary. Wonder is not limited to extraordinary experiences. It can also arise from appreciating the beauty and complexity of everyday life. By cultivating a sense of wonder, we can find fascination and joy in the seemingly mundane aspects of our lives, leading to greater mindfulness and appreciation. In summary, wonder is a powerful force that drives our curiosity, stimulates cognitive development, evokes awe and amazement, fosters meaning-making, fuels creativity, and allows us to appreciate the wonders of the world around us. It is an essential aspect of the human experience and contributes to our ongoing quest for knowledge and understanding.